Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. The title of this video is that how you can use Google Gemini to solve complex queries with the help of this AI tool. So let's get into it. First of all, we will open Google Gemini tool and we will also get some generate some complex queries with the help of the ChatGPT, and those queries will be then will we will incorporate them in the Google Gemini so that we can see how accurate Google Gemini works for solving complex queries. So this is our website, Google Gemini. This looks like this. I have already logged in with my Google account. Okay, so this is the left side. Here you can write your prompts. Okay, so let's open ChatGPT as well and get some complex queries. Give me some complex queries. Check Google Gemini answer capability. So now it will give us some complex queries. So these are the some complex queries. Let's take them and paste them here. And at the end we will write answer these queries. So let's see. So I have given it my complex queries. Now it will solve them. You can see that it has solved all the queries in just a few seconds. So that's how you can use Google Gemini tool for solving complex queries for your study purposes, for your research purposes as well. So that's all about how you can use Google Gemini for solving complex queries. You can also upload your document file from this option and it will solve those queries as well. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.